repeated multiplication by the same number, it is very common, but when a number say a, if it is multiplied n number of times, then it can be shown as a to the power of n, or as the what I say here exponential notation or the index form, and the expanded form as a into a into a repeated n number of times are n factors. So in a to the power of n, so here the number which is repeating is nothing but a, so here a will be called as the base, and the number which is repeatedly, the number of times which the base is repeated will be called as the exponent, or in other words it will be called as the index. So now, saying the exponents and powers, generally, so repeated multiplication by a same number or by a number which is common, same number is very common, but when a number say a is multiplied n number of times, then it is shown as a power n, as a power n, in which a is the base and n as the exponent, which is in the exponential notation, or in other words index form. So here it is the exponential notation, which is nothing but a power m, or in other words it will be called as index form. So for instance, let us consider three cases. That is, in the case number 1, 5 multiplied thrice, that is 3 times. If 5 is multiplied thrice, that is 3 times, it can be shown as the expanded form as 5 is multiplied 3 number of times, 5 must be multiplied 5 into 5 into 5. This is the expanded form, whereas 5 repeatedly multiplied, so it indicates what I say here, 5 repeatedly multiplied 3 number of times, so in the exponential form or in the index form or in the power form, so we can write it as, since 5 is repeating, so we can write it as the base, so number of times which is repeated, so here this 5 is repeated is of 3, it is repeated 3 times, so 1, 2 and 3, therefore it must be written as the, as the index at the top and at the right corner. So here 5 will be called as the base, and the number of times which the base is repeated will be called as the exponent or the index. So 3 will be called as the index. Then in case number 2, a multiplied, number a multiplied n times or m as m factors. So we can write it as the expanded form as, so a is multiplied, so a into a into a, it is repeatedly multiplied n number of times, so here n times, or in other words, so here as n factors, it is multiplied, a is multiplied as n factors, So here we can show the same expanded form in the exponential notation as, since a is repeated, it will be the base, number of times repeated is of n, so it will be the n as the exponent. So it can be written as a to the power of n. Then in case number 3, in 5 cube, that is 5 repeated thrice, 5 into 5 into 3, 5. So here 5 is repeated thrice in number, that is 5 is repeated 5 into 5 into 5. Repeatedly multiplying factor is 5 here. So here repeatedly multiplying factor, say here the repeatedly multiplying 5 factor is of 5 is called the base. So in this manner I say here the number which is repeatedly multiplied will be called as a base, and similarly the number of times the base multiplied repeatedly is called the exponent or index. So in this manner, in 5 cube, that is written as the 5 into 5 into 5 as the expanded form. This is the expanded form. In this expanded form, so 5 is repeated. Since repeated multiplying factor is of 5, so it will be called as the base. But the number of times the base multiplied repeatedly, so here base is 5 and it is repeatedly multiplied 3 number of times, 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 will be called as this exponent. So this 3 will be called as either the exponent or the index. So in this manner, so we got five will be called as the base. Then we have, so the 3 will be called as the index or the exponent. It can be read as 5 cube or 5 raised to the power of 3 or 5 to the power of 3. Then now, so in particular there is another note. In particularly, a power 1 is equals to a is repeated only once, so is equals to a itself. Then now let us go through some of the laws of indices. Say here laws of indices which are helpful to perform the calculation parts of the problems. These laws of indices are: first one, that is a power m into a power n. So in the first case the bases are equal and the symbol in between is of into, therefore we have to add up the exponents, that is a to the power of m plus n. And the next one, that is the second one, a power m divided by a power n. Here the condition is when m is greater than n, then that will be equal to a to the power of m minus n. Here numerator is of a power n, denominator is of a power n. The exponent of the numerator is of what I say m, the exponent of the denominator is of n. When numerator m is greater than n, then we will get as a power n minus n. Then third one, a power m divided by a power n, but the condition is instead of m greater than n, so I am taking n greater than m, then that will be equals to 1 divided by a to the power of greater one is m and the least one is m, so greater minus least, that is m minus n minus m. So here a power m divided by a power n, numerator is of a power n, denominator is of a power n, but here the condition is n is the denominator's exponent and m is the numerator's exponent. N is greater than m, that is denominator's exponent is greater than this, n is greater than this m. So we will get, Since denominator's exponent is greater, so we will get the result in the denominator itself. 1 divided by a to the power of n is greater than m. So here from greater we have to subtract this least, that is n minus m. Then now the fourth one is of any digit or any number raised to the power of 0 will be equals to 1. Instead of a, it may be 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3, a lakh, or whatever it may be. When it is raised to the power of 0, its value will be equals to 1. Then now fifth one, ab whole power m. So here ab whole to the power of m, then that is equals to, between a and b, say that is of into, that is multiplication symbol. So here the exponent is of m, so exponent m is applicable for both a and b. So a to the power of m individually into b to the power of m. So similarly, so sixth one, that is a by b whole power m, whereas here this exponent is applicable for both and as well numerator and as well as denominator, that is a and b. So we can write it as a power m divided by b power m also. Then now the seventh one, seventh class of indices, a to the power of minus m. So exponent is of negative. So when we write in the denominator, so here a to the power of minus m becomes 1 divided by a to the power of, instead of minus m, it becomes plus m in the denominator. If it is of plus m, when it comes in the denominator, so we would have written here minus m. Then now next one is of eighth one, or else we can write it as, say, or a to the power of plus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of plus m in the denominator will be of minus m. Then eighth one is of root of a, so equals to, so when we remove the square root, it is the square. So square means 2. When we remove the square root, a to the power of, since it is square, we have to write it as 1 by 2. Then now ninth one, so here mth root of a equals to a to the power of, since we have removed square root, so here we have written 1 by 2. Since mth root is removed, so we have write whole to the power of 1 by m. If nth root is removed, we would have written as a 1 by n. Then now 10th one, so here if x to the power of n is equals to a, then we have, so here x equals to, when we cancel this exponent as n on the left hand side, we have to write a to the power of, we have to write the root of that n, that is a to the power of, here it is n, we have to write it as 1 by n. Then 11th one, so if nth root of a power m is equals to, say under root it is of a power m, let us write a power m as it is, but nth root is removed, we will write it as 1 to the power of 1 by n, that is equals to, it is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of n type. So let us write as a to the power of m bracket, bracket indicates here into, this bracket indicates into say here exponent is of 1 by n, that is equals to a to the power of m divided by, here exponent denominator will be of 1. Let us multiply numerator and numerator separately, m1 size of m divided by n1 size of n. So we will get as a to the power of m by n. So in this manner I got, so nth root of a power m is equals to a power m divided by n. Then now 12th one, that is a power m whole power n is equals to a to the power of m, so here bracket indicates into, so here n. Then now let us perform examples based upon these 12 class of indices. That is example number 1. So example number 1 is of